Looking to start a YouTube channel without showing your face? Hello there, future YouTubers! Today, we will discover the top 10 ultra-low competition niches for 2024. If you're interested in launching a channel but prefer to stay behind the scenes, you're in the right place. In today's video, I will reveal the top 10 ultra-low competition faceless YouTube niches for 2024. These niches not only have less competition, but also offer fantastic potential for growth and creativity. So whether you're passionate about storytelling, relaxation, or DIY projects, there's something here for everybody. So let's dive in and find your perfect niche. Number 10. Ambient and relaxation sounds. In a world full of stress, ambient and relaxation sounds are becoming increasingly popular. Channels dedicated to nature sounds, white noise, or meditation music can attract a wide audience looking for ways to unwind. You can create long videos featuring calming sounds from various environments. Think rainforests, ocean waves, or tranquil forests. The beauty of this niche is that it requires minimal equipment. A good microphone and some sound editing software can get you started. Consider experimenting with different themes, like seasonal sounds or soundscapes for specific activities like studying or sleeping. This versatility allows you to keep your content fresh and appealing to a wide range of viewers. Number 9. Animation and motion graphics tutorials. With the rise of digital content, animation and motion graphics are more in demand than ever. If you have got skills in software like Adobe After Effects, Blender, or even free tools like Canva, you can create tutorial videos. The key here is to explain concepts and techniques while showcasing your work. This niche has relatively low competition, especially for specific software tutorials. As you build your channel, consider creating series that covers particular topics, such as character animation or infographics. This approach not only keeps your audience engaged, but also positions you as an expert in your niche. Number 8. DIY crafts and projects. DIY crafts and projects are a fantastic way to engage with a broad audience while keeping your identity private. You can create step-by-step guides for various crafts, from home decor to holiday gifts. Use voiceovers to guide viewers through each project while showcasing your hands at work. This approach allows for creativity without requiring you to appear on camera. Engaging thumbnails and clear instructions can significantly boost viewer retention and encourage sharing. Additionally, consider collaborating with other DIY creators to expand your reach and introduce new audiences to your content. Number 7. Historical narratives and documentaries. History enthusiasts are always on the lookout for engaging content that explores the past. By creating narrated documentaries or storytelling videos based on historical events, you can cater to this audience without needing to show your face, research intriguing stories, compile visuals, and provide insightful commentary. You can use stock footage, historical images, and animations to enhance your videos. Delving into lesser-known events or figures can differentiate your content from other history channels. Additionally, consider creating themed series like Women in History or Unsung Heroes to attract specific audiences. Number 6. Gaming tips and strategies. The gaming community is vast, and many gamers look for tips, tricks, and strategies to improve their skills. You can create faceless content by recording your gameplay while providing commentary or creating instructional videos on specific games. This niche requires you to stay updated with gaming trends and releases, but it's worth it, especially with the popularity of esports and streaming platforms. Incorporating viewer feedback and suggestions can enhance your community engagement and keep your content relevant. Moreover, you might explore niche games or genres to tap into less saturated markets, further increasing your growth potential. Number 5. Virtual tours and travel guides. As travel continues to evolve, many people seek out virtual experiences. You can create travel-related content by compiling footage and images of various destinations, offering viewers with a virtual tour. Use voiceovers to share interesting facts, travel tips, and cultural insights about each location. This niche allows you to create beautiful visual experiences without needing to be on camera. Highlighting unique destinations or specific themes like ecotourism or culinary travel can help you stand out in a crowded field. Additionally, consider incorporating user-generated content from viewers who have visited those places, fostering a sense of community. Number 4. Financial education and budgeting tips. In an era of financial awareness, people are eager for information on managing their finances. By creating faceless content focused on budgeting tips, investment strategies, or personal finance education, you can help viewers navigate their financial journeys. Use engaging visuals, charts, and infographics to illustrate your points and provide voiceover explanations. This niche has relatively low competition, especially for specific topics like saving for retirement or reducing debt. Regularly updating your content with current trends and news can keep your audience informed and engaged. Consider creating downloadable resources like budgeting spreadsheets or investment checklists to enhance the value you offer. Number 3. Tech reviews and unboxings. Tech enthusiasts are always on the lookout for reviews and unboxings of the latest gadgets. While many creators show their faces during these videos, you can take a different approach by focusing solely on the products. Use high-quality visuals, close-ups, and detailed commentary to review gadgets, software, or tech accessories. This format allows you to leverage your knowledge and opinions without appearing on camera. Creating comparison videos or best-of lists can attract viewers who are in the decision-making process. Additionally, engaging your audience by responding to comments or hosting Q&A sessions can build a loyal community around your channel. Number 2. Cooking and recipe videos. Cooking channels are incredibly popular, but many creators opt to show their faces. You can carve out your niche by focusing on the recipe themselves. Record your cooking process from the overhead angle. Provide step-by-step instructions through voiceovers. Highlight unique recipes, budget-friendly meals, or specific dietary options like vegan or gluten-free cooking. This approach allows viewers to focus on the food while you maintain your anonymity. Using appealing visuals and mouth-watering presentations can significantly enhance viewer engagement. Consider sharing personal stories or tips related to the recipes in order to create a more relatable connection with your audience. Number 1. Mindfulness and mental health content. As mental health awareness grows, so does the demand for mindfulness and wellness content. You can create videos that focus on guided meditations, relaxation techniques, or self-care tips without showing your face. Use calming visuals, soothing music, and your voice to guide viewers through various practices. This niche resonates with many people seeking peace and balance in their lives, and it has relatively low competition as compared to other wellness channels. Building a series around different aspects of mental health can keep viewers coming back for more. Consider collaborating with mental health professionals for expert insights, adding credibility and value to your content. In 2024, there's a wealth of opportunities in faceless YouTube niches that cater to diverse interests. From ambient sounds to mindfulness content, each niche offers the potential for creativity and engagement without the need to appear on camera. By focusing on quality content and building a dedicated audience, you can carve out your space in the YouTube ecosystem. So pick a niche that resonates with you, start creating, and enjoy the journey of building your faceless YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked what you saw, make sure to subscribe and join our community. Catch you all in the next video.